प्रतीक्षा एजुकेशन पॉइंट में आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है प्यारे बच्चों। तो वेलकम फॉर यू द प्रतीक्षा एजुकेशन पॉइंट। टुडे वी आर स्टडी द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। We can see the question number first. Which organ is the responsible for the photosynthesis in the plants? Option A root, option B stem, option C leaf, option D flower. Correct answer will be leaf. Now question number 2. The function unit of the kidney is the neuron, nephron, alveolus, villus. Correct answer will be nephron. Question number 3. Which pigment is necessary for photosynthesis? photosynthesis? Option A hemoglobin, option C chlorophyll, option C myelin, option D carotene. The correct answer will be the chlorophyll. Question number 4. The process of breakdown of the glucose in the absence of oxygen is called respiration, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, photosynthesis. The correct answer will be anaerobic respiration. Question number 5. The transport of water in plants occurs through phloem, xylem, stomata, cortex. The correct answer will be xylem. Question number 6. The brain part the responsible for the balance of body is option A cerebrum, option B cerebellum, option C medulla, option D spinal cord. The correct answer will be cerebellum. Question number 7. Insulin is secreted by liver, option B pancreas, option C kidney, option D stomata. The correct answer will be pancreas. Question number 8. Binary fission is a type of sexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, pollination. Correct answer will be asexual reproduction. Question number 9. The male reproductive part of a flower is the pistil, ovary, stamen, ova. The correct answer will be stamen. Question number 10. The number of the chromosomes in human body cells is 23 pair, 46 pair, 44 pair, 22 pair. Correct answer will be 44. Question number 11. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of evolution, genetics, anatomy, ecology. The correct answer is genetics. Question number 12. A pure tall plantity is crossed with the pure dwarf plantity. The F1 generation will be all tall, all dwarf, 50% tall, 25% tall. The correct answer will be all tall. Question number 30. The sex of the child is determined by mother, father, body equally, both equally, environment. The correct answer will be father. Father is the responsible for the sex of the child. Question number 14. Acquired traits required: inherited, non-herited, genetics, chromosomal. The correct answer will be not herited. Question number 15. The basic unit of the heredity is a chromosomes, gene, DNA, cell. The correct answer will be gene. Question number 16. Ozone layer protect us from infrared rays, visual light, ultraviolet rays, X-ray. Correct answer will be ultraviolet rays. Question number 17. Green plants are called consumers, decomposer, producer, parasites. Correct answer will be producer. Question number 18. The first trophic level in the food chain is occupied by herbivorous, carnivorous, producer, decomposer. The correct answer will be producer. Question number 19. Which of the following is a biodegradable waste? Option A plastic, option B glass, option C paper, option D the polythene. The correct answer will be paper. Option C is correct. Question number 20. The opening and closing of stomata is controlled by guard cell, xylem, phloem, epidermis. Correct answer will be guard cell. Question number 21. The site of the fertilization in the human is the uterus, ovary, fallopian tubes, vagina. Correct answer will be fallopian tubes. Question number 22. DNA stand for deoxyribonucleic acid, dynamic nuclear acid, double nitrogen acid, deoxynuclear acid. Correct answer will be deoxyribonucleic acid. Question number 23. The exchange of the gases in the lungs occur in bronchi, trachea, alveoli, larynx. Next, the correct answer will be alveoli. Question number 24. Which hormones control growth in the humans? Option A insulin, option B thyroxine, option C growth hormones, option D adrenaline. Correct answer will be C. Question number 25. A dihybrid cross gives the phenotypic ratio of 3 ratio 1, 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1, 1 ratio 2 ratio 1, 2 ratio 1. Correct answer will be 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. Question number 26. The movement of the food in plant occurs through xylem, phloem, cortex, epidermis. Correct answer will be phloem. Question number 27. Which vitamin is produced in human skin in the sunlight? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B, option C vitamin C, option D vitamin D. Correct answer will be vitamin D. Which vitamin is produced in human skin in sunlight? That's vitamin name is vitamin D. Question number 28. The largest part of the human's brain is cerebellum, medulla, cerebrum, spinal cord. Correct answer will be cerebrum. Question number 29. Which of the following is an example of vegetative propagation? Option A seed formation, option B spore formation, option C budding, option D potato tuber. Correct answer will be D. Question number 30. The energy currency of the cell is DNA, RNA, ATP, ATP. Correct answer will be ATP. So thank you so much nice. Please like,